Hi, and welcome to Crafting with Nana. This channel is designed to help you learn how to crochet. And I've always thought it's a lot more fun to crochet something and learn a new craft if you're going to make something rather than just learn the stitches. So in this video, we're going to make a cute little Christmas gnome. This pattern was created by Vira of Knitted Story Bears. She has an Etsy store and a blog, and she has provided this pattern free on her blog. However, if you use the blog, you're going to be trying to follow along step by step through ads, right? Like so on any blog, when they provide a free pattern, they also have ads that support their channel. So as you're on the blog following along with the video, you're going to see part of the pattern, then a bunch of ads, then part of the pattern. In a response to her generosity, I'm hoping that you will go to her Etsy store and buy the pattern. It's only $1.90 for US currency, and if you could afford that, it is well worth it for you, the viewer, to have a paper that you can mark it off on. But it's also a great way to support this awesome creator. So I hope that you'll do that. The links are in the description box below. So in this video, I am using a larger needle. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook. Vera used a 2mm crochet hook. You can definitely see the difference in sizes here if you're using the larger hook and the larger yarn versus a smaller hook and smaller yarn. So again, if you're a beginner, I recommend the larger hook and the larger yarn. I think for beginners, it's easier to use a larger hook and 4-ply yarn. She used, like I said, a 2mm hook with sport yarn. Again, links will be in the description box below, and you can choose what is most convenient for you. Also on colors, I'm going to put links to different yarns. She used red, yellow, gray, and cream. It's your creation, your gnome. Choose colors that resonate with you. So grab your supplies. This is a short video just explaining what's happening in December. We're starting December 3rd, I think, that first Saturday in December. So grab your supplies now and get ready to join me, and I'll see you then.